Good morning.
Good morning.
Now sit in the car thinking about where shall we go today, because the week is quite busy with work.
That's an understatement.
That we still would like to go out and explore and experience things without the too much physical kind of strainy, is that the word?
I don't know, it should be relaxing, I guess.
A bit more relaxing, that I don't want to get physically tired this weekend somehow. I don't know. It's just probably the week was a bit more busy, so good. I think a bit tiring. It's not always like this, so some
Currently
weeks...
it feels like, since we're in Tenerife, I feel like every week is like this.
a lot of work, so we'll see. Maybe in a couple of weeks we'll be fine.
We'll work on it.
We're working on it, exactly.
So we found a hike in this park area where is this laurel forest in the north. Should be a drive of 30 minutes from here, from Santa Cruz. And yeah, there's a mirador with a restaurant where we could have lunch, and then we could do this hike. And then we'll see how we feel.
Yeah, and beach in the end, definitely. More relaxing. Today is a relaxing day. It needs to be relaxing day.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. We arrived. Very chilly here and very cloudy. I was looking forward to sit outside for a lunch, but now I'm hoping that they have something inside, because you literally sit in the clouds here.
That's cool.
So let's find out. I'm ready. This, whatever is free. This. Okay. We got the English menu, which is a very nice printout with some handwritten editions there. And apparently the goat meat stew is the local specialty, which you wanted to try for a while now, and you haven't found it.
I mean, it's not that I didn't find. It's like every time I would go for a lunch and it would be late, and
It was sold out.
It was sold out. Yes, you need to come early.
Yeah. Okay, they have it though.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yes.
The ordering of things is very interesting here because people speak barely English. They do their best. They're very friendly, and you can see that they're very happy to go beyond whatever. But it's a little bit a language barrier. So we also wanted to order vegetables, so now we need to find out what the vegetables means. Have you found out? Fruteria is the same, right? Verduras. Okay, verduras. And I feel like it starts to rain, or that's just because we are sitting in the cloud. So what did we order? You ordered the goat's meat stew. I ordered the fried pork meat, which is carne fiesta. And what was the other one? Croquettes. Goat meat croquettes. And to stay on theme here, I ordered the lemon beer, and Lausa has always the water.
Sparkling.
Aqua con gas, isn't it?
Yeah. Just I don't I try not to drink any sweet drinks while eating.
Okay, so we got the croquettes with goat meat. Very tiny croquettes. I thought they are always in a like lengthy shape. That's the first round croquettes I see here.
I thought you ordered goat and chicken.
No,
It was just goat. It's like missing something to dip into, yes? Like some sauce.
so tell me how you like goat cheese. No, it's not goat. Goat croquettes. I automatically associate goat with cheese because we always have goat cheese. Okay, from your first impression, it looks hot.
One moment.
Can you see the moving clouds behind Lausa? We're literally sitting in the clouds here.
It's good.
It's good.
Canary potatoes.
Okay. Goat meat.
Oh wow. That is amazing.
Thank you very much.
Wow, that's half portion. That is a half portion. Not bad.
Not bad.
I imagine differently, but I'm sure this is
Yeah.
amazing.
Okay. Mine looks really healthy.
French fries mashups.
And yours looks very delicious.
Yeah, not too fatty. It's just nice.
Perfetto.
I like lamb meat, so it's very similar. I've never tried goat's meat actually.
To that.
Love it.
So they have in the back here this whole sitting area, which is probably the normal place where people are. And then along the street here. And they have inside as well. How was lunch?
I really liked it and enjoyed very much because it's nice to sit in the nature, enjoy the fresh air. It's nice and cool, but it's around 16,
It was
17
actually
degrees.
really comfortable.
Very comfortable, fresh, and the food was pretty good, isn't it? And when we see people, now more and more people are coming for a lunch, and they're mainly locals actually.
Yeah.
They speak Spanish, so not tourists, which
Yeah,
was
it's
pleasant.
not easy to communicate in English here. But,
But it was
he
enough.
got us and we
Good.
got what we wanted.
Yeah,
So
delicious food.
now we're heading off after I think 2 hours lunch. It was a very long lunch.
We just needed to
It was actually a very inspiring lunch.
no rush. We liked sometimes to sit together and chat and talk, think
Was it
about.
inspiring today?
Yes.
I think we had a very interesting conversation, which might lead in some, no, not might, which will lead in something very, very special. I'm kind of getting excited about this now. I won't share it now, but we'll get to this point.
That's
And-
where things,
Can I just-
things develop in simple conversation.
Yeah,
Having
when you take time for relaxation, which we
and
do
and
not often enough.
not just relaxation, but reflecting.
Yeah, asking what you want in life, which we did today. And I think we have a very good answer to that. But first, before we head off to this hike now, it's just a small hike around this area. The clouds are clearing up a little bit and we can see now what's behind these clouds. Because when you sit in the clouds, you have no idea what's going on around. We don't know, are we in a valley, on the top of a mountain? We don't see anything around. But now we can start seeing what's around here. Have a look at that. Terraces here and houses in the mountains, and the clouds are moving in again. Beautiful, huh?
miss that. I miss that. We had plentiful in Madeira. How, you know, it's very special.
It is so lush green, and at the same time it's so comfortable temperature wise, and there's no wind, and there's this wetness in the air, but it's not uncomfortable, which is a very rare combination, I think, because normally that would be connected with wind and moving clouds and coldness, but it's really comfortable.
Definitely can be coldness because it can be humid and cold. Although it's still humid, but it's not
Yeah,
cold.
but right
that
now it's really comfortable. Could also be uncomfortable warm, like stuffy, right?
Oh, yeah, it's true.
But
But in the winter, apparently, it can be pretty cold.
yeah, and it feels like a jungle
Yes.
because it feels very raw and wild,
But this fern
and
is
very like
just
this fern is amazing. Look at this.
gigantic and so.
Wow, and this is July, end of July, where you would normally expect things to be as dried out as possible because it's summer, and normally it's in spring where it's so lush.
Well, that's why they say
But
internal spring.
ah,
It feels springy all
yeah,
the
they say that, right?
Yes.
Look at that. What's that?
Just trying to figure out if it's a laurel tree.
Look how pretty those things are. They have these water drops on them. Kind of flat trail, and it goes along the edge of this mountain here, and it would be interesting to see what's behind there. It's all in the clouds.
And
I'm
we're
sure there is a
inside the
beautiful
forest.
valley or something.
And we're inside the forest.
Yeah, we're on the looking along here, and look at those things. I love that. Looks so mysterious. Everything overgrown with moss. Pretty muddy here. Are we on the right way here, actually?
No.
Let me check. Wow. It's like a plantation.
Yes.
A little tree challenge. Nature Color Collection 2021. That's where we are. We thought that we would already be almost halfway through, but that's not even a quota yet. So now do we continue straight here, or do we walk up that rather beautiful alley style thing here? That actually goes up to the street. There's a road. So we continue to walk. Okay, so we started out here, and now we are just here. In terms of elevation, we're actually still on the way down.
And then steep up.
So we're going to 780 and this is 960, so it's almost 200 meters. And that happens actually on the other side. So once we cross the street, we will go uphill until here.
Let's go. Then we go this way.
We go that way.
Oh, that looks so beautiful. This way looks so pretty.
That's actually the driveway for that house that it leads to the street.
Makes sense.
Somehow we need to hurry up, I think. Getting late in the afternoon and we wanted to go to a beach to cool down, relax. While walking through the forest is very relaxing, it's kind of still some exercise. And we haven't been hiking for the last, 6 weeks? More. 7 weeks, 8 weeks. 2 months, no hiking. Wow. It was really time.
And soon, in 2 weeks, we're going back to Madeira. So,
Looking forward to meeting with our friends.
yeah, that's
Going for hikes there. Yeah,
recharging.
recharging and working on our project. Are you excited about our project?
Yes. Yes.
Can't stop thinking about it. Okay, more downhill. And windier. So I just checked the map on all trails and that's the beginning of that steep 200-meter uphill area. So I guess we go here. No. So according to Old Trail, that's not where we should go. We should go this other side here. There's like a bunch of people. Yeah, that was a bit hidden here because the cars are parking. And we're supposed to go this way, which looks like a very little trail. Maybe that's why not many people walk it. Maybe it's not an official one. It doesn't have the waypoints, the markers. Looks good on the trail.
This is Anaga Park.
Okay, just means you should not block that with a car.
Okay.
You can go. So I think that's the wrong way. That looks too official for us, I think. So that's a very official road almost. I think we need to go in the woods.
So what's happening?
I think there was a path up. Where is this gate?
We needed to go up.
And we need to go up. So we need to go here. Yeah, this is our one. Positive. That looks interesting.
Someone was maybe building a tent.
Uh-huh. It's like a snail house shape. So we got lost for a little moment, but
There is internet.
but there's a little bit internet. This recording which we walk by is not very accurate. We found a trail that goes, it looks like a trail. It goes in the right direction. It's not exactly on that recording, but that's fine as long as we go in the right direction. So yeah, that looks good. Looks good. You're safe, man, Chad. Sometimes you can see that it is a trail, sometimes not.
It was much longer.
I was definitely wrong. That's not what it is. But I'm happy that we are on a trail again. And it's just a question of time until we are back at our starting point. Now it gets a little bit more stuffy. Or is it just because we're walking uphill? It looks like a river more than a trail, to be honest. A river bed. Now we start definitely to sweat. Looking forward for a beach, for some swimming. Almost back at the road.
You mean where we started?
No, then we walk a little bit along the road to where we started. I can already hear cars, so it looks like we're on the right way. And the sun is coming out, and it's just beautiful. I'm sweating a little bit. You too? It's good. Sitting all week, so need a bit movement. Sound of cars is getting closer and closer. Maybe that's the road already? Yes.
You reached your destination.
Reached your destination. Not really.
We're going this way.
This way, yeah. Even walking along the road is beautiful here.
Touching the clouds.
Look at this cushy tree. It's like a carpet.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
And it's not just one. It goes up all the way. It's like you cover a tree with a carpet. So we went in the wrong direction on the road. I thought uphill it should be. That's why I didn't check. But apparently it's downhill on the road. And it's just a short piece on the road, so it's actually not that long. But we went quite a bit in the wrong direction. I was a little bit annoyed at me now.
Just a little bit.
I'm sorry. All that long way down. It's beautiful though. So that's where we came out. And we went up there. And we should have gone down here. Which is what we're doing now. How would we have seen this beautiful road if we wouldn't have gone up there? Lausa said by driving, because we actually drove it down here. Good point, but we didn't walk it. It's a different experience, isn't it? No?
Looking forward for a swim as well.
Yeah.
But it's lovely, lovely. I very much enjoyed the hike here. Love the temperatures, so everything perfect.
It was beautiful. Not that
relaxing.
difficult. Sometimes we got lost a little bit, but it was actually exciting.
A little bit.
A little bit exciting. Yeah, really beautiful. Good lunch.
It's very nice.
Beautiful
place.
hike.
We actually like it.
That's the restaurant. We did it.
We did it.
So
Very
now
happy.
we need to come up with a beach to go.
So we changed for swimming already, and just going down to the our beach.
Playa Teresitas.
Teresitas, our favorite beach. So
Very refreshing after the hike.
it's so beautiful. Go for a hike, go to the beach in the end. It's just
That's the perfect combination for a day, right?